Imagine this. You have a dream, a vision that excites you, but then doubt creeps in. It starts as a small whisper, a tiny voice in the back of your mind. What if I fail? What will people think? These questions start to grow louder, more persistent. They make you second-guess every step you take. Here's the truth. Doubt is a thief. It sneaks in quietly, but its impact is loud and clear. It steals your confidence, your focus, and sometimes even your future. It makes you feel small, incapable, and unworthy of your dreams. But here's the thing. Winners don't let doubt win. They take action despite it. They push through the fear, the uncertainty, and the naysayers. Every successful person has doubted themselves at some point, but they didn't stop. They used that doubt as fuel to keep going, to prove themselves wrong. So when doubt whispers, remind yourself, every step forward is a step closer to your dream. Each small action you take is a victory over doubt. And guess what? The world is full of doubters, but you can be the one who proves them wrong. You can be the one who shows that dreams are worth fighting for. Don't let doubt define you. Take the leap. Embrace the uncertainty and trust in your ability to overcome it. Subscribe for more motivational tips. Remember, your dreams are worth it. Keep pushing forward.